I'll be doing a caricature of Nicolas Cage in the film Ranfield. So I'll be breaking him down, and then I'll show you the end result. I was just watching some trailers and I drew him real quick already, but I'm gonna break down my drawing and then show you the end product. Cool. Without further ado, here's me breaking down Nicolas Cage's features and his mannerism. All right. So first things first, I'm looking for shapes. Right. Shape first, structure later. So the first thing that grabbed my attention was just he has circles here. His face cheeks came across to me like this, and I'm just feeling him out. I'm not worried about right from wrong. I'm just feeling out the drawing. I can fail at the moment, but it's good to follow your feelings first. After all, we're not robots, and to approach every single drawing like it's arithmetic is not fun. I certainly made it a mission for myself to make sure I have fun when I draw and it's not a grind. And so for me to be loosey goosey is fun for me. I watched Bob Ross paint when I was a kid, and I realized that has to be what drawing's like. I know he's doing it with painting, but that has to be what, you know, the end result of drawing. I'm not a fan of this whole what's often done like this. And everything looks like a big geometrical mess. I'm not a fan of any of that. I found my own way of going about drawing caricatures, and it's actually worked out for me. So I'm just sharing what's working out. A big thing with drawing for me is silhouette. Like sometimes I'll just draw the silhouette of the thing. All right, and I believe he has a long nose. Toy with that, and then his crazy smile. Again, although I'm drawing this kind of quickly, I'm actually in my head being very careful. And this is context to when I used to draw for a living, because you can also rush the drawing and it'll look really bad. And so I drew slow for many years, but I just out of habit, like I learned to execute once. Sometimes I'll go back, like you just saw me go back there. I like drawing shadows. It actually brings the drawing to life whenever you draw shadows. And this is what I mean by silhouettes. Like if you drew that silhouette, see that's a wrinkle, so I can already just start adding in details. And this is a knuckle. See, I can add a knuckle here. See, a lot can be done with just silhouette alone. It's something I learned in animation, and I brought it into my caricatures. I didn't do it before when I was working at the park, but something I do now. See, just adding all this dark silhouette right here really frames these two fingers. So when I draw my caricatures, I'm going at it at a different way. When I used to draw caricatures, I didn't have the context of animation, but I'm an animator, so I'm actually applying a lot of things that I learned animating. All right. So that's my demo. That's how I went about drawing Nick Cage. Here's a drawing that I did last night. You know, I did this drawing in the dark too. It looks like it worked out. Pretty strong drawing. And here's something personal for if anybody's interested. This is a drawing that I did for my book that I'm making right now. It's a rooster. Pretty cool, huh? It's being crucified. Anyway, hope you all enjoy. Like and subscribe. And if anybody has any questions, just let me know. And if you like this format, you know, I'll continue to do more drawings this way where I break down how I did it, what the logic was, maybe some past experiences over the years, and the end result. I can't promise the end result always being good, right? I'm a hit and miss kind of guy, but I only do it once. I don't spend too long with the drawings. I don't spend like weeks or days. I spend like no more than, well, what you saw right here, and then probably like maybe 15 more minutes. Again, that's just me being used to drawing really quickly at a theme park and making sure I make good money. All right. Well, you guys have a nice rest of your day.